Hello everybody, welcome to my little video on how to create VR chat worlds and avatars with the Unity software. Please visit my VR chat bio in your control panel, as it is the third social link of the three below my bio. It is video. So this is the site. See also the video below for my best description of the Unity setup. Happy building. And actually, I'm actually creating the video right now. So here we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the site right now. Here it is. And this is the World Avatar Creations Required Software. So what we're going to do is share with you, as you can see right now, these four actual software links to download to get your setup properly uh, uh, for your creations with using Unity, the Unity software. I'm trying to make it as easier than what I had to go through, so I'm going to share with you a few things that might be helpful. So you understand there's 3 gig. It's a 3 gig, almost a 3 gig software download. You just need a fairly regular computer like a Dell or Acer, and that's what you have to look for just a regular computer. So here we go. As I was saying, it's 4 links, software links, and once you download all 4 of them, you're going to install them. Okay, from 1 to 4. And once that's done, okay, you're going to need to know, number one, that you need a free personal usage license in order to open the Unity editor. And you'll find that in the Unity Hub. So you open up the Unity Hub, you look for the free personal license, you get it, you activate it, and then you'll be more ready to open the Unity editor without any problems. That is the first step. Now, once that is done, okay, you should close the Unity editor altogether. And at the same time, know that you should, if you're opening the editor, make sure you do not install anything from the Unity Hub. I went through that, and it was a real rigmarole. And you start going through the Unity Hub, trying to figure out how to get everything working when it comes to the projects and everything. And I'm trying to explain to you, you don't have to go through that. Just skip the installation altogether in the Unity Hub, because it's a really powerful software, and it will kind of almost take control and starts downloading all types of versions. And I would recommend that you go through 1 through 7 to get it to stay as simplified as possible. So the thing is, what I realized, you have to make sure that, like I said, skip the installation, because what you're going to be doing, you're going to be opening up the Creator Companion. Okay, and that is where it's actually going to search for the Unity editor that you installed. Okay, when you download it. Uh, this when you the reason why I'm saying skip the installation, because you'll always, the Unity Hub does almost the same thing as the Creator Companion. So just close that altogether. Close the Unity Hub and use the Creator Companion. Reason being, what happened to me was uh, 2 editors was operational, and you don't want to see that happen. So do your best as well when you download these 4. Okay, make sure you delete the shortcut of the Unity editor and the Unity Hub, and that would be very. And keep the VR Chat Creator Companion on your desktop for the main project opener. So this is my best explanation. You can actually read it fully, what I went through. And from that, okay, you open the Creator Companion, like I said, and it will um, search for the Unity editor and properly install it. And this is what you're going to be using, the Creator Companion. The Creator Companion is where you name your projects. If it's going to be a world, you can. If it's a nature world, it'll say this is your new project, and you click on the world that's going to be actually installing it into the Unity editor. There's going to be two buttons actually. One's I think it's 2022 and 2019, which you have a choice of how it's going to install into the Unity editor, as well as the avatars as well. It has a year 2022 to 2019, which you can choose how your projects are going to be installed into the Unity editor. So from that, you're good. You're all's well, okay, and you're ready to go to create your worlds. Yay! Create your VR worlds or your VR avatar projects. So when that's done, you're gonna when that's happening, okay, of course, you're gonna say, how do I make my worlds? Well, that's just getting the setup. Now from there, you're going to have to go to an actual website to choose your preference of what you want your world to look like. Right now, mine looks like, of course, a little nature, and you choose your site of what your world's going to look like. And I'm going to recommend Sketchfab as the actual website that where you can freely download certain 3D models. If it's like a sci-fi space station, like a flying boat in the air that you go to, if it's a tree house, whatever model that you're actually creating, these are room worlds, okay, that you will be learning to try it out to create. And it can be a lot of fun when you start figuring out you can actually do so. But the first, you can make sure that you set up the Unity properly so it can be done. So this is the small part what I'm trying to get you started with. If you want to try it out, I'm not saying you have to. I'm just showing you what I had to go through, and so that you don't have to go through so much what I had to go through. So anyhow, like I said, once you have the Unity open and you're ready to upload your 3D models, okay, you're either going to go to the upload into the Oculuses and or the Windows, where people usually use their mouse to see those 3D models, those 3D worlds, and they're so when you create your worlds, at times there will be an option to create portals from world to world, and there's the choice, of course, of the PC enablement for people to use their mouse, okay, to go through the worlds, or the actual go by seeing it through the Oculus glasses. So what you got to do is once you're ready to upload your world, you can do both, or choose from the either PC or Oculus glasses. So that is your total preference. So go to it. Go to this website, and it has the best explanation as possible, best description of what I had to go through, and all the best. I hope you enjoy it. My recommendation, as well as during your creating, when other versions are recommended, don't download them. Just go back to these steps and get to it. That's the way to do it. So as well, I might as well share with you also that there is also the avatar creation. When people want to make their avatars, okay, I used what's called Ready Player Me, which helped a lot, and you can find that website by, I think it's readyplayerme.com, and you actually create your own avatar. Once you create your own avatar, you have the option to import it into the Unity's editor, and it will upload it to your VR chat just alone. If you even create, if you're just creating an avatar, if you're going to different worlds, you can actually just have your first avatar, not even your being, not being a world creation. It could be just an avatar creation. So this link here will actually go to what's called an asset store of Unities. And all you gotta do is click it when you get to that site, and it actually automatically starts setting it up into your Unity editor from your PC. So that's the best I can come up with. Let's share with what I understand about creating VRChat worlds and avatars for the required software using the Unity softwares. Uh, Please, if you have any questions, try to get me while I'm doing a little bit of, going to certain worlds like the Ultimate Spider Lair, or there's the flying course that I just newly found, and we can talk. And feel free to come into this world anytime you want, because I've been finding that when I'm doing this, they get in here anyhow, even though it's not even published into the community labs. But that's another tutorial later on what community labs is, or hopefully you can read it as you go and venture onto the internet to find out more about that. So this is the best I got so far. I hope this is best simplified as I can make it, that you enjoy. And if you, like I said, if you have any questions, try to get a hold of me by the Oxirac. Just call me out when I'm out and venturing into VR chat worlds and games. All the best, and we'll talk to you soon.